Hello guys, this is Kevin speaking, and in this video I want to talk about how long does it take to launch a business, to start a business. But eventually the real question is probably how long does it take to make some real money with your business, to make your first sale. So basically guys, if you are new to this channel, my name is Kevin. I'm making a ton of videos just sharing with you my story and how I'm running my businesses. I've been running a business for probably 10 years now, so it's been quite a long time. We are running a marketing agency, more than 14 people, and basically that's a huge adventure. The real question now, realistically, how long does it take to really make your first sale? So basically it depends about three things. If you have 10 hours that you can use to make your business, if you have 10 hours that you can use to create some content, or even just to make some phone calls or just run your business, eventually it's going to be faster, or even faster than if you just have 2 hours or 3 hours. That's the really key things you have to identify before really thinking about how long does it take or how long it's gonna take. So this is the very first thing. The time you have is really key. So the more time you can make yourself available, the more successful and the faster you will be successful at running and making your first sale on your business. So time is key, guys. On the other side, money. The more money you have to invest in your business to run advertisements or to run some ads, basically, YouTube ads, Google ads, any kind of ads, it's going to be some kind of a shortcut straight to your success and straight to make you more sales really quickly. So this is another point to go faster at making your first sale. And by the way, there's also one thing you have to consider before really thinking about this question, which is how long does it take to make money? And I think it's also how much money you need to really live off your business, or what's your goal eventually. If your goal is to make 10,000 euros every single day, yeah, it's gonna take so much longer than just making 2,000 a month. And that totally makes sense. So you have to keep this in mind. The bigger your goal, the longer you will have to wait until you make your first sale and you make your first profit. So now let's say you have some money. If you have some money, you have to do something really, really simple, but also really effective, really powerful.
So let me give you a bit more context here. Even though I don't have a ton of YouTube subscribers, I'm still able to generate thousands of revenue every year. And the reason is quite simple, guys. I run ads to promote my best content, ideas, and lead magnets all over the world on YouTube ads, Instagram ads, Facebook ads, and we are also planning to run ads on TikTok. And trust me, it works like crazy, especially when you know how to use them. Last week, we held an online event and spent 2,811 euros on Facebook ads, plus an additional of 2,083 euros on YouTube ads. It's a total of 7,705 euros, and by the way, 74 cents to attract qualified leads. And the result is amazing. We have generated a huge 27,958 euros in sales. This is crazy. Okay, enough bragging now. Let's get back to the video.
So you got it, guys. If you want to make your business even faster, just run some ads. If you run some ads, it's gonna be easier and you're gonna make sales really quickly. If you have some available time, if you have some free time, you have to use this time just to create some content, or just create some videos, blog posts, or even just some podcasts that you can publish and just release on the internet. And the more you are going to release some content, the more attraction you're gonna get. And by the way, the more business you're gonna bring to your company and the more attention you will get inside your business. So the more content you make, the more business you make. It's that simple, guys. Okay, one quick thing, because I see you coming, guys. If you're going to say something to the camera or just in the comment, but Kevin, how can I just do it? Because I'm running my small business. I only have 1 hour every day. I'm sleeping, I'm eating, I'm working on a side project. How is it even possible? please do me a favor. Stop lying to yourself. Look to what you are doing every day, watching TV, reading books, even traveling or the things like this, and try to get just rid of them. Get rid of them and try to save as much time as possible. And you will see that at the end of the day, you will save more time, you will make more time for your projects and the things that matter. And if you are already using all the available time, just try to remove 30 minutes on your sleep schedule, or maybe just, I would say try to make some time. So it's about making compromise, guys. Make compromise, because in the next following years, you will be really, really happy that you've made this compromise. Then guys, I'd like to give you a few tips if you really want to grow faster and basically keep for the next following months or even weeks or even years basically. So the first thing is you have to really like what you are doing. You have to be really in passion with what you are going to do, because if this is not a passion, you won't be able to work for countless hours every day, every week, every month until it gets better. So that's really key, guys. You have to really remember this. If you are doing something that you really love, that's going to be easier and you're going to beat everyone, because at the end of the day, what's even more important than money? That's just happiness, and your happiness is more important than anything. So be happy, do things you like, and do them repeatedly every day, every week, every year. So that's it, guys. Now, 3 tips. One of them is when you are launching your business, don't try to be ready before you launch your business. Don't try to be the best marketing strategist before you start making some strategy and marketing things. Basically, what I'd like to say here is really simple. If you want to start something like running a business or anything you could do in life, it's always the same thing. Before running, you have to be able to walk. You have to be able to walk, and then you will be able to run and maybe to walk faster, and at the end, just run. The business is exactly the same. You can learn from many different things, like my channel. Just subscribe to my channel if you want to get more tips, more videos about business. But the more you are going to make things, the more you are going to really create content, sales funnels, and any kind of things for your business, the better you are going to be. So this is really key. Just don't wait until you are the best at doing the things you want to do, if it makes any sense. So number 2, create a mailing list. And I think this is one of the things I wish I had knew before starting my really first business. The number of contacts you have in your business, these little email addresses are really key. This is really important. The more people who are willing just to have more information about your business, about what you are going to share with the world, the better and the most successful business you will have in the end. So you have to really start catching other people's addresses, other people's email addresses and contact information. That's really important. So let's give you an example. If you have 100 person following you on your email list, what's going to happen? Every time you are going to create new content and release it on YouTube, you will be able just to send an email and basically let them know that you have released a new content, a new email address. And this is going to bring some traction to your content, to your funnels, to your offers, to everything, guys. So that's really a game changer. To be honest with you, that's the biggest game changer ever. So if you don't have any game changers like this, you really have to start using email marketing and basically build an email list. That's one of the most important things you should really make right now. And if you want to make these kind of things, please do me a favor, subscribe to this channel, because every single week I'm trying to give you more stuff about this, guys. I'm trying to give you my strategies to build an email list. And to be honest with you guys, this is one of them. One of the most important things I wish I had knew before. And today it changed my business, because when I'm just releasing something new, like a content or anything, I can send an email straight to my mailing list with more than a few hundred thousands of subscribers, and they can follow immediately my content and just subscribe to my offers. So it's really key. It changes everything. So let the world know about this product you've been working on, and you will see that this email list is going to change everything. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If this is the case, please do me a huge favor, because to be honest with you, this specific video, I've been recording this video for a few hours. It's been pretty hard to me just to record this one. I have no idea why, but it was pretty hard actually. So I hope you enjoyed it. It was another video of me just sharing with you some marketing tips, and just give me your goal in the description below. And by the way, in the comment box below, give me your goal. What's your target goal? What are you aiming for? Would you like to make 2,000 euros every month, or $2,000 every day, or even 2,000 pounds every minute? So just let me know in the comments below, and I will talk to you in the next video. And by the way, subscribe, guys. I will see you later in a new video. Bye-bye.